Looks good, I know. But don't eat it. We just made hair conditioner. Learning to stay self sufficient in a time where everything is being done for us and we're becoming dependent, it's best to do this practice. Those who are looking to come out of the system. Shalom.